gift center holiday deals for Ridgid. This is the hack basically for Black Friday holiday 2023. Uh, this is the starter kit, the cheapest you guys could get for this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so we can get you guys the best Black Friday deals coming up. All right, so this is a 6 amp hour and a 4 amp hour max high output or max output lithium batteries and charger kit with bag. That's what it looks like. So it's a 4 and a 6 basically, standard charger. This is valued at $179. This is actually one of the cheapest out there, at least that I've seen as of today. So this is the free gift with purchase. Obviously, you're going to select the free gift. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. You got an 8 amp hour battery. Wow. So you guys are able to hack this 8 amp hour battery. Wow, that's a big battery. That battery is going to be around an hour and a half price. Maybe around 80-90 bucks. That's crazy for an 8 amp hour battery. Stock up on those babies, guys. Definitely stock up on those. You got 18 volt, 130 mile per hour, 510 CFM cordless blower, valued at $189. Well, I think this is pretty much the best bang for your buck for the brands, basically. You got a 1/2 inch, because you're gonna get the Milwaukee DNA on a cheaper price, basically. So 18 volt brushless, 1/2 inch high torque hammer drill driver, valued at $149. You got a ratchet 3/8 extended reach ratchet, valued at $189. A 4.5 paddle switch angle grinder, valued at $139. A 4-mode 1/2 inch mid torque impact wrench. These things are a beast, valued at $179. It's very similar to the Milwaukee mid torque. You got the 7 1/4 circular saw brushless, valued at $169. You got the brushless cordless compact route, valued at $179. You got the brushless jigsaw, valued at $179. You got the brushless oscillant multi-tool, valued at $129. You got the brushless cordless reciprocating saw, valued at $169. Wow, we got more selection on Ridgid this year, at least for this as of now. You got the grease gun, valued at $189. You got the portable inflator, valued at $49. Guys, don't get this one, because if you guys, don't spend your $200 and then get a $49 tool if you can get a $200 tool. So this will be my last resort, unless you really need it and you just want to, don't want to deal with returning all this anything. Just want this, so get it. But I will definitely get something else, at least a $199 tool like this. And then you got a right angle impact wrench, 1/2 inch, for $199. That's it. So yeah, definitely worth it, guys. I think this is the best bang for your buck as of now. $179, that's pretty good. Most of the other ones are $199, so $20 more. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And if I find some more deals, if I dig some more stuff up, I'll post as like I'm doing now. Guys, we'll see you guys on the next one.